I'm going to show you some of the best funding pips promo code in 2025. I'm going to show you 3 websites. First off, it's called Teal Spotter here. Now on Teal Spotter, you can see there's a couple of discounts. We can see like 5% off, 15% off, $110% off, and then $200 off here as well. 8% off, 20% off. There's a lot here, right? If you want to pick on which one of these, just tap on show discount code like this, and then it'll redirect you into the website like this. Now this is the coupon code match. We can copy this like this, and then you can paste it at fundingpips.com like this. Now the next website I'm going to show you is called Tessitimi like this. Now it has a similar selection of coupon codes here, like 10% off, 7% off. Similar way we can actually get the coupon. Just tap on get coupon like this, like the same website before, and then you can see this is what the coupon will look like. We can enter in or copy it like this, and then we can redeem it at the actual Funding Pips website here, right? The last website I'm about to show you is called FX Coupon. Again, same kind of UI and same kind of layout like the websites from before. You can see there's a couple of promo codes here like 10% off, 20% off, 8% off. If you want to get the teal, just tap on get teal. Or if you want to get the code, tap on get code like this. And then it'll automatically redirect you onto the coupon code. And then you can see just what it will look like. Funding Pips 10, that's the coupon code. And then that's it. You're done.